with that.
What's up? Alright, I'm talking about. Follow me on Instagram at FatJesus, F-A-T-T, right? Look, any cypher that rail in, you can already tell then. It's about to get uglier than A-Town and Welvin. If I ain't in your mama crib cooking like Melvin, I'm on your base side like the school by the bell in. I'm playing to my own, so I'm never late. Fat boy, heavyweight, watch when that wave start. It's gonna make the levee break. Everybody washed up, finished. Soon as I start up, no, we don't know how to act. Why they even start us? Regardless, I'ma be a winner. I'm more top ramen than cold cuts for dinner. I keep God first, but forgive me if I'm a sinner. I did it cause I had to, wouldn't if I ain't had to. I be getting fly, so you know just what that swag to. I be in my bag too, shorty I could bag you. Tell Peter I'm fleeing, snake shoes, gator boots, fur coat, saber tooth. I could probably make a zoo, I ain't in the game. I'm just doing what the players do. Treat it like it's chess, be the king, you gotta make a move. I ain't here to make the rules, I just came to break the rules. Caught so many 106 bodies, should've made the news. Damn, where they at though? Girl say he cute even if he sad though. Hold up, where they at though? Hold up. I say yo, I've been going through a lot, so I'm just trying to get it right. Focused on life, couldn't focus on the mic. I'm trying to do it big like I don't even write. Can't think about tomorrow, I'm trying to make it through the night. Tunnel vision in my sight like I'm Kodak. Looking like I blow racks, and I sound like, whoo, shit. Good looking, good looking.
Still got it, you still got it. That's Mr. 106 in Park, you still got it.